Okay guys, it is another beautiful day, and of course we will be checking out some assets together and see how we can make up to $200 today. Okay, so I usually do this once in a week. It helps us to know how to analyze the market, it helps us to know how to trade, and of course it also gives us the opportunity to earn more profit from this. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, if you have any question, kindly drop your question in the comment section. I will be there to reply. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, yesterday I dropped a trade in the I dropped some signals in the Telegram platform, and it's all played out well. Okay, it's all played out well. I'm really happy. Some of them took time before it went into profit, but at the end of the day, all profits were taken. Okay, so if you had followed it, then definitely you should have cashed out from that particular signal, from those signals. Okay, so quickly we will be starting with boom 1000. Okay, we will be starting with boom 1000. This was one of the analysis I dropped yesterday, and of course you can see it went on downtrend and got to this region. Okay, so it has gotten to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, so it went back into an uptrend. But if you should notice, this has actually got into this resistance zone and it's unable to break out from there. So we are most likely not we are most likely we will be having a more of a downtrend right from here. Okay, it is possible for it to sell for a while, go back to the resistance zone again and come back and sell more. Okay, this is normal and it is natural movement. Okay, so we should be having more selling opportunity. So if this happens, we expect it to get to this, and of course after that we expect it to get to this, and if it breaks out from here we also expect it to get to this. So this is going to be a long selling opportunity. That is if it does not break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so guys, I'm using 5-minute time frame to do my analysis so that we can have the opportunity to trade using this analysis. Okay, and of course guys, I'm using the 3M train milker. Okay, it is a custom made indicator we have been using within this community. If you are not having, you can ask me how you can get yours. Okay, so now let's move on to boom 500. Okay, this is one of the analysis I posted yesterday that took some time before going into profit, but if you should notice, it has gone back into profit and giving us lots of profit, even far above our TP sections. Okay, this actually went on downtrend and of course got to this region, had a pullback and went back down again, had another pullback, and of course it's going down again, and of course this is giving us huge profit. I expect this to get, once it breaks out from there, it should get to this region. Okay, so we should watch out for that. So after that, if it breaks out from this support zone, to keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, but for now it is still selling. There are no two ways about it, it's still selling. Okay, just that it's very close to the support zone, so we wait for it to get to the support zone. If it breaks out from there, it will sell more. We will have to use 15 minutes or 30-minute time frame to see the next point. Okay, so that is it. Now let's move on to crash 1000. This is crash 1000. It actually went on downtrend yesterday, but in the night it decided to go on uptrend, and it's one of the stuff I posted yesterday, and of course you can see giving us all the profits. Okay, and of course it decided to go back after getting to this resistance zone. Okay, after getting to this point it decided to go back. You can see it got there and it went back. Okay, and of course it is still selling at the moment. We expect it to get to this region, and if it breaks out below this, then it should be getting back to these ports. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, it should be getting back to this port. Okay, so this is very, very important. So, and if it breaks out below this support zone, then we are most likely to see or to experience more selling opportunity right from there. But if it does not, it will go back on uptrend. Okay, so now let's see crash 500. This is crash 500. It has gotten to the resistance zone already, so we should experience more crashing opportunity right from here, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone. If it does not, it's going to crash more. Okay, we just need it to break out below this. Okay, once it breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to crash down till it gets to this region. Okay, and if it breaks out below this, then definitely it should be getting to this spot. Okay, so we should take note of this. So if you want to sell the spiking part of crash 500, then definitely this is the right time for you to do this. Okay, okay guys, you might be wondering how I'm able to do all this analysis easily. It's because of this custom made indicator. It makes it very easy. Okay, I can easily say when the market is on uptrend and when it is on downtrend. Okay, so it is as easy as that, and that is the major thing we are benefiting from. Okay, whenever we are using this custom made indicator. Okay, so if you are having, congratulations to you. If you are not, then you may need to talk to me on WhatsApp so that you can take advantage of it right from there. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.